Welcome back. So today I'm gonna attempt to fix my fuckery from yesterday. Let's see how this turns out.
I started by scuffing the dried epoxy from the last install. The old pilot holes were basically useless after my feral attempt to rip this handrail out of the wall, so I filled them up with wood filler so that I can sand them down again and make them look all pretty. Shh, don't tell anyone. Then I scuffed the dried epoxy on the knoll posts and the balusters so that the new epoxy can adhere to it. Oh god, here we go again. Let's try not to have a panic attack this time. Since the epoxy is rated for 3300 psi, I decided to scrap the screws altogether and just use the nail gun. Luckily I had my handy dandy helper this time to help me hold the knoll post in place so that I didn't totally screw it up. I did end up shaving off a little bit of wood from the top of the handrail, and luckily it worked to sink the handrail a little bit more onto those balusters and make it look nice and clean. Speaking of which, let's clean up this hot mess. I used caulk to fill in the small gap in between the railing and the baluster, although it was a lot better than last time, so thank God for that. Ah, the magic of paint. Look at this, it's like it never even happened. Now you see it, now you don't. I did a couple more touch-ups on the lower baluster, specifically around the base, because it got a little bit sloppy when I took the tape off, and what can I say? I'm a perfectionist. I like a clean line. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 27 and follow along for more home DIY.